The world is still broken, but today I stopped running from it. Up until now, survival has been about hiding, scavenging, and hoping nothing notices me. That works until it doesn't, because sooner or later you have to move. And when you move in a world like this, you either move protected or you don't move for long. So today I'm building something different. Not a shelter, not a trap, a machine, a fully armored vehicle, built from scraps, built from logic, built so I can travel without gambling my life every kilometer. This isn't fantasy, this isn't movie nonsense. Everything I'm about to explain can actually be done, right now, with junk and patience. Let's start with the truth. You don't need a tank, you need a survivor's vehicle. A tank is loud, heavy, and impossible to maintain. A survivor's vehicle is simple, repairable, and boring. Boring is good, boring survives. The base matters more than the armor, so step one is choosing the right vehicle. You want something common, something mass-produced, because parts matter more than looks. Pickup trucks, delivery vans, old SUVs, anything with a strong frame and rear wheel or all-wheel drive. Unibody cars are fragile. You want a ladder frame or reinforced chassis. Steel beats aluminum here. Rusty steel still works, cracked aluminum doesn't. Diesel is ideal, not because it's powerful, because it's forgiving. Diesel engines tolerate dirty fuel. They run without complex electronics. Some will run with vegetable oil, some will run with mistakes. Gasoline engines work too, just expect more maintenance. Electric vehicles? Forget it. Once the grid is gone, they're bricks. Now let's talk about armor, and this is where people get stupid. You do not need military armor. You are not stopping missiles. You are stopping debris, claws, small arms, and bad luck. The biggest threat isn't bullets, it's penetration and spall. Stuff getting through, stuff breaking apart inside. So armor is about layers. Layer 1 is distance. Never mount armor directly to the vehicle body. That transfers force straight into you. You need a gap. Air is armor. Air absorbs shock. Build an external frame. Steel tubing, bed frames, scaffolding, anything rigid. Bolt or weld that frame to the chassis, not the body panels. The body is decoration. The chassis is life. Layer 2 is material. Scrap steel plates, street signs, old safes, industrial shelving, even brake rotors. Thickness matters, but angle matters more. Flat armor gets penetrated. Angled armor deflects. Mount plates at a slant. Even 15 degrees helps. 30 is better. 45 is beautiful. Overlap plates like scales. Never leave straight seams. Seams are weak points. Weak points get exploited. Layer 3 is energy absorption. Behind the steel, add something soft. Rubber mats, conveyor belts, truck tires cut into sheets, even stacked fabric. This catches fragments. It reduces spall. It stops the inside of your vehicle from becoming a blender. Now windows. Windows are fear. Bulletproof glass is rare, so we fake it. You never rely on one layer. You rely on sacrifice. First layer is a grill. Rebar.
Expanded metal, chain link fencing. This breaks incoming objects, changes angles, slows impact. Second layer is polycarbonate, not acrylic, polycarbonate. Old riot shields, industrial machine guards, security glazing. Polycarbonate doesn't shatter, it bends. Bending saves lives. Third layer is space, always space. And if you can't see, that's fine. Cameras exist. Old dash cams, security cameras, backup cameras from junked cars. Run them to a small screen, even a salvaged tablet. Visibility beats heroism. Now tires. Everyone forgets tires, then they die. Pneumatic tires fail, eventually, always. You reinforce, not replace. Fill them partially with foam. Expanding construction foam works, not solid, never solid. You want compression. Add internal liners, cut rubber sheets, old tire sidewalls, wrap them inside. Externally, add skirts, steel or rubber hanging down. This protects from cuts and debris. Tracks? No. Tracks are maintenance nightmares. Wheels win long term. Now suspension. Armor adds weight. Weight kills suspension. So you upgrade in 3 ways. First, overload springs. Truck leaf springs. Stack them. Clamp them. Second, reduce speed. Fast breaks things. Slow gets you there. Third, accept loss. Your vehicle will never be smooth again. Comfort is dead. Stability is king. Now fuel. Fuel tanks explode. That's a myth. They burn. But punctures are real. Shield the tank. Steel box. Rubber lining. Angle plates. Move it if you can. Truck beds are better than undercarriage. Gravity isn't your enemy. Exposure is. Carry fuel externally. Jerry cans. Metal only. Mounted away from cabin. Fire is survivable. Explosion is not. Now the inside. Your cabin is a cockpit, not a living room. Strip everything. Seats, trim, airbags, gone. Add 1 seat. Firm, low, centered. Seatbelt mandatory. Harness if possible. Rollovers happen. Line the inside with padding. Not for comfort, for impact. Every sharp edge becomes a weapon in a crash. Blunt everything. Storage is modular. Boxes that can be removed. Nothing loose. Loose objects kill. Now ventilation. Armor traps heat. Engines cook you. Add vents, but angled. Always angled. Never a straight hole. Straight holes invite penetration. Fans help. Computer fans. Radiator fans. Airflow matters. Carbon monoxide kills sovereignly. Route exhaust properly. Test constantly. Now noise. Quiet vehicles survive longer. Straight pipes are ego. Mufflers are life. Wrap exhaust. Add baffles. Reduce signature. At night, light discipline matters. Interior red lights. Exterior blackout mode. Light only when moving. Never when stopped. Now the philosophy. This vehicle is not invincible. It is not permanent. It is a tool. You don't fight from it. You don't chase with it. You don't show it off. You use it to move. You use it to escape. You use it to survive bad moments. And when it fails, you abandon it. That's why you never build emotional attachment. Steel doesn't love you back. Before I finish, one last truth. The most important armor isn't metal. It's decision making. If you drive into places you shouldn't, no vehicle will save you. If you move at the wrong time, no armor is enough. This machine buys you margins, seconds, distance, options. And in this world, options are everything. Chapter 5 ends with a vehicle that can move through danger instead of freezing in it. Next chapter, we stop reacting, we start planning.